Retro Trek Ralph here. Right, I can't put this over any longer. Different camera angle, but oh, I'm gonna try this. It's even got original serial number, the original date as well, 1988 January. So I'm gonna get this unboxed. Let's plug this thing in and see what I can do. Right. Let's start from the beginning. Power cable in the wall. I'm going to turn that off. Power cable goes in here. Reset button there. Switch is there. I need to tune the telly in as well. I've not really got much of an idea if this actually will properly work. I know it lit up and I got very excited over that, but whether it tunes in or not, I don't know. One port mouse, one port joystick. A little bit of pain in the backside of that, but nothing I'm not used to. There you have it. Right, switch on, power, switch on, green comes on. Right, I need to tune that telly in. 1 second. This thing works. Oh, hello. Might be a dry solder joint somewhere. I'll work on that. Oh, this mouse feels horrible. Screen resolution. Why is that doing that? Ooh, that is horrible. Right, so we're working then. I want to see, because there's no other options apart from desktop. Got a TOS version, doesn't say which TOS it is. I think that means it's a, oh yeah. Why is it doing that? Dare tell me we went knackered. Maybe it's the case that it's not tuned. We'll go through satellite frequencies and I'll get back to you in a second. Okay, I've cycled through and it does seem to be that's the best one. Maybe a cable error, probably a dry solder joint on there anyway, but I'm happy enough with that to test. So what I'm going to do, I've got a game here, and I'll see if this works. So, ooh, doesn't sound entirely happy. Double click, retry. This is definitely in need of a service there. Okay, test over with. See to be any right, boots up. Oh, don't do a PlayStation on me, for God's sake. Why is this going on and off? I think the RF modulator's a little bit the knackered side and the floppy drive. keep just going off, doesn't it? Something's not happy with this. So what I do, I'll take the back off it and see what's what. I can see if it's actually what model this is actually. So I'm not sure if it's a 1 meg. It was popular to upgrade them to a 1 meg. I mean, I did on mine. So the only concerns me a little bit is I need one of them extenders on there, don't I? I'm taking one of these in and out all the time. What concerns me a little is, oh, come out. These 2 screws here aren't original. Better. Warranty seal, I'm tempted to keep that on there. Date 1988, so it's the same one definitely. Don't know what the numbers are there. So, let's hope that is just a plastic cover. Feels like it. Right, get this stripped and see where we are. Right, all screws out except for the ones in the hard drive. So, I'm going to open this yet. Let's see. This is not in bad condition. So, it's a little twisted. Keyboard off. It isn't bad at all, really, is it? Compared to how old it is. No, the buttons seem to work. The key seems to work okay. More digging. This looks like a standard floppy. I've just bunged inside. Why are those like they are? A little bit of dust. I can live with that, I suppose. Right, I'm going to take the rest of this off. I need to twist those 2 round. I need to unscrew a disk drive from the bottom anyway. I've invalidated the warranties. So let's see what I can find. Right, what I've found out is this is a normal standard floppy drive. But what somebody's done is they've lost this plastic leg here. So I think they've stacked up 3 of these bolts to compensate for one I'm missing. Shouldn't really matter one. Once you get screwed in alright, it should potentially be fine, but I'll work on something for that anyway. But I don't know whether this works or not. So we'll got all the jumpers on there. Cool. That to one side. Let's take that out. I want this out. Hoping this comes straight up. I think the power supply needs to come out first, doesn't it? Okay. One tiny screw for power supply there. The other 2 corners go in when it's needed. So, want to plug out. Gently to get this out without destroying it or electrocute myself. There we go. I mean, the power supply is not bad. A little bit of dust off it, but nothing too concerning. Nothing's domed. I should go get this off. Right. This is in really good condition. Revision C. And as I feared, it is a standard. These three come off. It is a standard 520 or 512, should I say. Big capacitor. I've got some of them anyway. A lot smaller. Wow. Oh, what have I found? And another bolt. Why are these there? There's 4 bolts now. I've got all 4 feet. That's very odd. Very peculiar. Very irregular. Resistor across those. You know what, for its age, it's bloody clean. U5, U6 chips never used. All these here, U53, U62. I wonder if there's a way of upgrading these to with the memory without having the expansion board put on it. Because I remember putting one on my first one. I think it was one of these 2 chips to put a wedge this thing on top of it. And it was an absolute nightmare to do. It did work eventually, but I'm getting it to work. It was just pure luck. I've got the main processor chip in the middle. Doesn't look any problems. Is that closed? The problem is this pin there. Which really is impressively. No rust, no nothing. Wow. Right, so I thought the problem then is in here and potentially need of a second as a disk drive. It's a bit better with a monitor on it, I think, if I ever had one. Yeah. Still feels new. Amazing. I've been after one of these for quite a while. I never realised that my luck I'd have one of these. Takes you way back. I think my first one was maybe in 90, 89, 90, something like that. It was the same as this, the STFM, but I wonder what Gemsoft did to this, because it's no upgrade. There's a big fat resistor over here. I wonder. Another thing I could have done is that. Put a new floppy drive in. If that's the case, everything's as mint as what it should be. All I have to do is find a proper floppy drive. I'll check it out again. I'll see if I can get that backing plate off. think we're done. I don't want to use any screwdrivers to scratch it. Oh. There we go. Cardboard's hardly done anything. Right. Okay, so there's a problem with them. It's on the RF. Or is it? It's on the RF unit at least anyway. I'll get a bit of heat on there. Maybe a resolder. A bit over here, what's underneath there? Resistor for the chip. A little bit corroded on there. Nothing that should break the earth. Wow. I mean, to find a system that you like to work on is one thing, but to fall in love with the system all over again is something different. So, while I faff with this, try and see if I don't break it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.